Acute. Something severe, intense, or serious, often used for pain, illness, or situations that need quick attention. I felt acute pain in my belly. He got an acute infection on his teeth. Clutch. To hold something tightly because you are afraid, in pain, or don't want to lose it. My daughter clutched my finger tightly. He clutched his chest in pain. Cultivate. To grow or develop something carefully over time, such as plants, skills, relations, or habits. I cultivated relationships with some people in this area. I cultivate some vegetables on the yard. Defame. To damage someone's good reputation by saying or writing false or bad things about them. I was defamed by my coworker to get a promotion. Some people are defaming me on social media by false news. Defile. To make something dirty, polluted, or impure, especially something that is considered pure, clean, or holy. Don't defile the river by throwing dirty. The pond will be defiled by the chemical. Drizzle. To rain lightly with very small drops of water. It was drizzling all morning yesterday. It started to drizzle. Estrange. To make someone feel distant, unfriendly, or separated from someone they were once close to. The argument estranged her from her all friends. Their busy lifestyle estranged them after 10 years. Flee. To run away quickly from a place or situation because of danger, fear, or trouble. He fled when he saw the dog. I had to flee in panic from here when the earthquake started. Greet. To say hello or welcome someone politely when you meet them. She always greet me when we meet. I greeted her with a smile and left there. Inundate. To flood or overwhelm someone or something with a lot of things at once, such as work, messages, or water. Our village is inundated with water after the heavy rain. My mail is inundated with emails. Malfunction. To stop working properly or to fail to operate correctly. The photocopy machine malfunctioned and I stopped it. My laptop started to malfunction during the meeting. Recuperate. To recover or get better after being sick, tired, or injured. It took a long time to recuperate from exhaustion. I recuperated from my illness. Replicate. To copy, repeat, or make an exact duplicate of something. I replicated the all documents. He is trying to replicate my answers. Stack. To arrange things neatly in a pile or heap, one on top of another. I am stacking the books on the table. She stacked the cups in the kitchen. unfurl. To open, spread out, or unfold something that was rolled, folded, or closed, like a flag, umbrella, or wings. She unfurled the book and started to read. We will unfurl the map on the table.